Hello YouTube, this is Tonic2KK here, and welcome back to your another Love2d tutorial. And what are we going to be covering in this tutorial? Well, we're going to be covering drawing primitive shapes. Now, I can bring these back because the other things don't matter, but we're going to draw primitives. Now, if you don't know what a primitive is, it's just basically a primitive shape. It's like a circle or a rectangle or whatever. So, we're going to cover drawing rectangles, and one thing I need to change in here, I want to make this 800 by 600. Yeah. I'm going to cover drawing primitives. So, in love.draw, I'm going to love.graphics. Triangle. And what this does is this will draw a rectangle, but you need to specify some of the stuff for the rectangle. You need to specify will be a line rectangle, which is just an outline. I'm going to draw both. Line, you need to specify the X and Y position, 40, 50, and the width will be 300 by 123, just for no particular reason. And then I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to draw it at 70, 100. It's going to be the same size. Why do I keep opening up terminal? Oh, I didn't change this to fill. Notice how it is white by default. And this is because I'm going to also cover this in a wee second, but notice how the font's white up here, and this might look grey, but it's actually white. It's probably just an optical illusion or something. So, yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. So this is white. Say we wanted... So what we're going to have to... no, I'm all over the place, right? So, Love sets the colour of things by default to white, without you defining it, just so you don't get an error if you don't define a colour. So what we're going to do up here is we're going to do love.graphics.setColor. And what this does is this will set a colour for things. This does not set the background colour. This only sets a colour. And here you put in an RGB and an alpha value. You really don't have to put in the alpha value by default. It's full alpha. It's all bright. An alpha channel is just hard transparent, something is, if you don't know. Yeah. So we're going to do 0 to 5 for the text, and then we're going to set the color down here to a different color. If you don't know, these are just RGB values. This makes a cyan color. This will make pure red, and then this will make graphics dot set color 0 to 50. I keep opening up terminal. Yeah, that works. That's cyan, this is red, and this is green. I'm not entirely sure why it's green. I thought it should be like blue. No, blue would be the end one. Duh. I don't know what I'm on. But yeah, it's a red outline, it is a green shape, and it is cyan text. Now, say you wanted to set the background. Love graphics.set background color. Yeah, but you didn't think about that. So this will set the background color of the window, and we will set RGB. Now, why are we doing this? Because we're going to have R equals 0, G equals 0, B equals 0. Can you guess what we're going to do? If you guessed that we were going to update the values, you were right. R equals R plus 300, no, not 300, 10 times dt. G equals G plus 10 times dt. B equals B plus 10 times dt. You should know what dt is if you watched any of my other tutorials. And it's updating slowly. Slowly updating. Slowly going grey. And it should go white. Python, Riverson, stupid fly. Shit flies. But yeah, then it goes back to like whatever it was, and then it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. And yeah, that's what it is. That should make sense to you. Just let me explain something. If you don't know, say you're a younger viewer, and you haven't did about this in school yet, or maybe you've forgotten, and you're an older person, I'm not sure, or maybe it's just a fun fact for you. 000 in RGB is black, and black is the presence of no colour. In case you didn't know, you can make every colour with R, G, and B. With red, green, and blue, you can make every colour possible in the colour scale. But black, which is 000 in RGB, is the presence of no colour. It means there is no colour at all. But if you have white, it is the presence of all colour. And just to let you know, the maximum value in R, G, and B for something is 255. In case you didn't know. You can look up more about RGB on the internet. But I'm not going to go into in-depth in it because I expect that you know about it. Because it's a pretty cool thing, and it's one of my favourite ways of defining colours. I think there's a way to define hex in Love2d, but I'm not sure if there's a Love2d expert out there. Maybe you can tell me if there's a way to do hex, and I might do another tutorial on it at some point, or I might cover it. But yeah. How much time we got left? Yeah, I've got plenty of time. So I think there is a love.graphics.len. I think. I never use any of the primitives. But very rarely. There's love.graphics.circle, I know that. So love.graphics.set color 00255. Love that. That circle. I think you have to define if it's a line or a fill as well. And it's dots. I never used the circle one, so I'm not sure how it goes. Hold on. Sorry about that. There was just someone that I thought was at the door, but there wasn't. It was just like the wind or something. I don't know. I'm going crazy. So yeah, there is fill, and then you do the X position, as like before, as 100, 100. I don't know. I'll make that 200, 100, and then you define the radius. It's going to be 50, and the segments I will have 500. I've never really used the segments, so I'm interested to see what this will do. Oh look there. Oh, the background's changing, yay! In fact, something I want to do is I want to add 15 to this. Back 35 for no reason. Then say if R. No, actually, I'm not going to do that because that's going to, like, it's going to go crazy. It's going to be a lot of math involved, so I'm not going to do it for right now. But this makes a circle. This makes a fill circle. I'm actually going to update this to 500. 500. There's a circle there. And then I'm going to make another one of that graphics that's set color 255025 for no particular reason. Love that graphics dot circle line 600 600 20,000. There it is down there in the corner. Maybe I'll bring it up a wee bit. 550. There we go. And then we can also draw a line, I believe. Of the graphics dot set color 0 or 255 1710, I believe is what it is. And then love the graphics line. think you just define the X and Y position. It will be from 0 to 500. You know, at least see maybe 0 600 maybe. There it is down there. I have no idea how they work. 10, 10, 40, 40. Yeah, it draws diagonal, so it goes from 10, 10 to 40, 40. That's how it works, basically. So I'm gonna draw it from say 300, 500 to 0, 0. There we go. 0, 0 here. Now from here to 0, 0 it is. It's diagonal line, and this is getting drawn on top of it. It goes in layers. So this is drawn, and then, you know, it makes sense how the drawing works. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense to you. The drawing primitives and the set color and the set background color. That is it for this tutorial. Yeah, we were getting pretty long here. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next tutorial.